Jeep enthusiasts love modifications, and sometimes we may go a bit overboard. Today, we're focusing on enhancing our dashboard and upgrading the sound system by incorporating the Boss BECPA9W 9-inch screen featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Welcome, this is Scott from Say Yes Outdoors. Go ahead and click that subscribe button now. In my opinion, there are two suitable locations for attaching the side plates: a rear placement for a flush fit or a front placement for a more recessed look. We opted for the latter. After affixing the sides, the next step involves sliding the radio into the mount. Push until you hear that satisfying click. As you can observe, the side plate aligns perfectly with the radio head unit, allowing for a recessed mount. The provided faceplate seamlessly clicks into position. The screen effortlessly snaps into place, maintaining an ideal distance from the head unit. We acquired the Jeep installation wiring kit from Crutchfield, which facilitated a plug-and-play connection with the pack steering wheel control module. We also purchased Crutchfield's Ready Harness service to deal with the wiring connections, and they executed the task perfectly. The last parts of the kit include the antenna adapter and Uconnect center console USB connector. Now, connect the harness to the back of the radio and then attach the antenna adapter. Utilizing the CarPlay USB cable, we link the center console USB port, offering the flexibility of wired CarPlay. Time to remove the dashboard. Start by removing the panel below the steering wheel. Remove a total of 4 7mm screws for the disassembly process. Locate 2 screws beneath the steering wheel. To access one screw, navigate behind the power window controller, slide the red latch and push down on the bracket to disconnect the power supply. The last screw is situated on the top of the dash, positioned at the bottom of the open storage compartment. Once these screws are removed, the dash can be easily taken off, providing access to the radio. To achieve complete removal, loosen 4 additional 7mm screws. Next, gently pull back the AC control panel, which is secured in place with clips. This grants access to the Uconnect module held by 2 screws that need to be removed. Within this module lies the connection point for the factory center console USB cable, which now serves as your wired CarPlay or Android Auto connector. Keep the metal support bracket in place, ensuring that your wiring runs behind it to prevent any pinching. Guide the USB adapter down to the Uconnect plug and establish the connection. Reinstall the Uconnect module and replace the AC control plate. Next, connect the plug from the pack control unit to the main wiring harness labeled SWC input, followed by the backup camera wiring, and lastly the radio antenna. 2 factory connectors, the satellite radio and the factory built-in microphone, will not be used. Connect the factory main harness to the radio main harness. The way we installed our aftermarket backup camera, there was no need to connect the purple wire to the reverse light. Connect the GPS antenna by routing the wiring through the front dash, along the windshield back to the radio mount. Utilize the extra USB charging port by running it through the dash, above the steering wheel, and gauges to the front windshield pillar, allowing power for any accessory on the Vector e-dock. Mount the provided microphone on the steering wheel column and route it to the center radio console. Install the new radio using the factory provided 7mm screws. To complete the process, reinstall the dash by following the initial steps in reverse. The installation process is straightforward and uncomplicated. This transformation not only significantly cleans up the dash area, but also markedly enhances the sound and aesthetics of your Jeep. Thank you for watching Say Yes Outdoors. If you enjoyed our video, please click the logo here to subscribe.